I just want to show you guys my new favorite song. It's a country song. I'm into country music now. Like my thing. Just kidding. I've always liked country music. Just lately, it's all I've been listening to. I can't stand rap anymore. I'm sorry, I really like this song. I haven't made a video in a really long time, just because it's summer and I've better things to do than be on my computer. I'd rather be outside. So today, I got back, not last night, the night before last, from Washington. And yesterday, I had a softball game, so I went to that. Oh man, I almost got hit in the face by a softball. I caught it with my bare hands. I was so scared though. I was like, flying French toast. There you go. They're funny. Can't see the other one right now. He ran away. He fakes me. Yeah, he likes to play with poop. Okay, so my grandpa, my papa, in the hospital, and it doesn't look very good. So whatever happens, I'm planning on putting a slideshow together with all the pictures of him and our family and everything. And I found this. I was going through a bunch of pictures today. I spent like 4 hours down in the basement, and I found a picture of my dad and my papa, which my papa isn't related to my dad or my mom. He's my grandma's husband. My grandma, he's my step grandpa, pretty much. But that doesn't make a difference. Family's family. And I think he's more of a grandpa than my other blood grandpa. You know? That's my grandpa. That's my father. And then that's me. Cute, huh? I'm gonna get a bunch of old pictures. I found tons. And most of these I'm gonna scan and put on Facebook because they're cute. Me and my brother and my grandma's dog that died on Valentine's Day 2 years ago. We're cute. My brother in Little League. I'm the youngest, so I wasn't even born around that time. So, my other brother, Little League. This one, my grandpa, my mom's dad. That's a pig, and that's me. I used to freaking ride that thing. I love pigs. He's cute. My papa. I know it's hard to see, but my mom and my papa. Chuck E. Cheese pictures. In the morning, It says, I know I'm cute. I know I'm cute. It's my job. That was me. My papa. He's trying to put a hat on me. Oh man. Oh man. My papa. My mom. She used to teach. She fight. She can't do it anymore. Some days I just don't know what I'm gonna do with those two. They're so cute. My mom used to teach me this thing where she goes, so sweet, and I go, or, I don't know, pop my. So, I believe I was eating ravioli or chili or not chili. I don't know what I was eating. But she was so sweet, and I was all messy, and I was so sweet. Yeah. Me and my cousin Max. I don't talk to him anymore. I'll be finding him on Facebook. You've heard me talk 7 minutes. Oh. I think I'm done talking. Sorry for not making more videos. I wish I did, but I have a life. Obviously, the person watching this, because I freaking boring 7 minutes ago. County Road 233, under my feet. Nothing on its rise out for a little opening. I got 2 miles till he makes it. And if I'm right, we're headed straight to him. I'm going home, gonna roll my shotgun, wait by the door and light a cigarette. He wants to find them now, he's got one. He ain't crazy, yeah. It's on my face and shook me like a rag doll. Don't say I'm like a real man. I wanna show him what a little girl's made of. Come here with me. Stop fighting. Oh my God. He don't know what's waiting here this time. Ready? Look at my little boy go. Oh no. His sister's killing him. I wanna show you what a little girl's made of. Look at her in the head. They're so mean. Anyway, we're much done here. Deuces. My niece says that now. It's cute. Bye.